Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get fresh drinking water in Subnautica 2. This guide is for those who are completely new to the game. If you're playing on survival mode and your thirst meter is running low, you'll need to craft water to stay hydrated. Thankfully, it's pretty simple since you'll only need a water slug. If you're not sure what they look like up close, keep watching. Just hop out of your life pod and look around the nearby waters. You'll find these colourful, spiky creatures that shake up whenever you get close to them. Those are the water slugs. Try to gather plenty of them so you won't have to keep making trips back and forth. Once you have enough, return to the fabricator and craft water under the fork and spoon icon. After it finishes crafting, open your inventory and left-click the water to consume it and restore your thirst. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.